Okay guys, I coming up in Poland in my unloading place. Leave documents here. I leave documents here and my ramp number 23. 23 is here. Okay guys, and lifting and reversing. I need maximal up position because here a little bit higher ramp. Yeah, I think maybe enough. Okay, maybe enough. Okay, I'm professional, look, yes? Okay guys, waiting 1 hour and I don't get other task waiting message with other task. Maybe after loading I need to filling up truck and maybe washing. Yes, and washing. I'm empty! Closing trailer, take documents and washing my car, filling up and come back in yard my company, leave trailer and go to take new trailer in Germany. We go only truck without trailer and I think maybe 800 kilometers. It's big distance without trailer. I don't driving without trailer so long distance. It's first time. Okay guys, let's go. Okay. Pull this top and trailer get driving position. Okay. Let's go. I think my documents is ready. Yep, it's here. Really guys, my truck is very dirty. I don't washing my truck all months. I will washing this truck in this month first time. I'm usually washing truck 1 time in month. Sometimes it's enough, sometimes no. My truck is washing, I'm eating. I'm wait.
It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. Good day. Woo! It's a great day.
Okay guys, come back for my truck. I think my truck now clear. Need wait few minutes.
Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging at the passenger side of his best friend's wife. Trying to ride me.
I'm fighting with my hands up, feel the place from your head rush, head rush.
My truck and trailer very clear. And now go filling up and come back to yard my company. I think today I can filling maybe one tank 200 liters and other tank 200 liters. I feel better when I know that I have full tank. Okay, SBU is full, only 32 liters. Maybe a little bit more, maybe together will be 500 liters. I don't know. If it will be 500 liters, it's also good result. Okay guys, and go, let's go. Guys, look, it's here a very beautiful place for make break in forest. Very nice smell. Okay guys, make here break, drinking coffee and come back driving. Guys, today I go to take new brand trailer. We go to company Krone. I need to cross all Germany without trailers. Look, I now without trailers. Only truck. Krone. I am delivery parts, but today I go to take new brand trailer. It's amazing. I am happy. Okay guys, a little bit hungry. Go to eating in McDonald's. Okay guys, and come back working. We don't have time for drinking inside. Okay guys, I coming up, but I can't find bureau, main office. Oh. Look, it's all new trailers. This is all new trailers. for me, safety vest. Warm safety vest. Look very good, really. I will have warm safety vest. Now I need to find my trailer. How I understand it's left side. Yeah, this trailer. I hope it's my trailer. Yep, mine. Really brand new. I can connect him, yes?
Yes. And if you finish, you can pick up and go.
Okay, thank you. Pick up and go. Okay. Okay, guys, connecting, and let's go. This trailer just doesn't know how it will be working hard with me. Look. Smell like new, really. So beautiful smell. Really smell like new. New lights. Everything new. I first time pick up new trailer. And it's very positive emotions. Everyone know when you get new thing, it's you get always positive emotions. Get first in connection. Okay, checking everything. New wheels. New wheels. Everything nice. Really.